Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to yet another scintillating episode of StarHub Presents Antakshari 2020 with a twist. I'm your host, Endos KP Sandhu, taking you through this week's episode. Now, let's be honest with each other, guys. This year has been absolutely unpredictable, but so is StarHub Presents Antakshari 2020. But three things you can always expect from us. That's music, mayhem, and a lot of Bollywood madness. First and foremost, I want to speak to the Diwani. Where are the Diwani?
Hi. Hello.
Amita and Preeti. How do you lovely ladies know each other?
16 years.
16 years, yeah. We know each other. I was getting the years correct.
Okay, and where? I mean, 16 years where? ये मुलाकात कहाँ हुई? कैसे हुई?
Japan की बात
में. See? Nobody would have expected that answer. Japan में क्या कर रहे थे आप लोग?
अपने कामों में मस्त थे.
फिर सडनली बिजी थे.
अच्छा.
और फिर बच्चों ने साथ में actually लाए हम लोग.
Beautiful. So whenever you all play within your group of friends, do you all usually come out as champions and winners?
We have beaten our husbands quite badly.
Your husbands very badly, yeah. And we are talking only about Antakshari, right? We're not talking about any other aspect in life.
Yes.
Unfortunately, yes, only Antakshari.
Right. All the very best. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice. Let's talk to the Parwane. Where are the Parwane?
Hi, KP.
Pooja and Swapnil. Did I get that right?
You're right.
And Parwane, tell me one thing. How do you know each other?
Yeah, I work for her at home.
Work for her at home. Very good, very good. How's the salary scheme in the house? That's good.
No incentive. There's no
Does she
incentive.
contribute to your CPF? No, nothing like that.
No. The only wage compensation is 3 times meal.
That's same thing they do in jail, you know. So I guess it all works out. Lovely couple. Looking forward to a great game with you. All the very best, Parwane. Hello, Mastani.
Hey, KP.
Sakit and Nandini.
Yes, that's right.
That's right. Okay. Tell me more about yourselves, please.
We are like partners in crime in every possible way.
Okay.
And married for 18 years now.
Wow. Congratulations. Let me ask you a question. This is going to be a tough question. Think about it, okay? Do you have what it takes to win Antakshari today?
Yes.
Absolutely. But I'll tell you a small trivia. Why we're so confident about it. This is our 3rd edition of Zee Antakshari in Singapore, and we have never gone beyond the first round. So while we are confident,
I see. I guess I admire that about you guys. The tenacity. You guys are not giving up. You're like
absolutely.
Physical Antakshari mein jeete to kya. Virtual Antakshari might just be yours. So very good. Anjane.
Hi.
Hi, Akanksha and Amitesh. Did I get that right?
Yes.
All right. A and A. Hello.
Yes.
First and foremost, before I talk a bit more about you, I'm looking at your background right now. I see 2 beautiful pictures at the back. Tell me about them first.
A addition to our collection, you know. So that's
your collection. Okay, very nice.
Okay, yeah.
So, I'm really looking forward to having you guys in the game as well. Anjani, thank you so much for being a part of this. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Antakshari 2020. Like I said in my introduction, this year is unpredictable. But that's why we don't fight against it. We go with the flow. This year, Antakshari is completely unpredictable as well. Usually, Antakshari is only about music, but this edition of Antakshari, StarHub Presents Antakshari 2020, we're going to test your Bollywood trivia as well. So it's not just going to be about the songs. We're going to make sure whether your filmy knowledge is, to the mark as well. So I just want to let everybody know and hope you guys are ready for this, yeah? Let's start with thanking our presenting sponsor, StarHub. Check out their new Indian Plus for all your favorite Zee channels. Our gift sponsors, Himalaya, giving gift vouchers worth $120 for the 2 winners and vouchers worth $50 for the other 6 participants. Himalaya is a science-based problem-solving head-to-heel wellness brand that is harnessed from nature's wealth and built on 90 years of legacy in wellness. Nisha Beauty Center, giving beauty vouchers to all the participants. Nisha Beauty Center, providing beauty services at affordable prices. Rocking Rickshaw, giving dining vouchers worth $50 for the 2 winners. Eat more, pay less. Order gourmet khana by the kilo from Rocking Rickshaw. WhatsApp 877-659-51. Oh yeah, giving discount vouchers for the 2 winners. Ouya.com, your one-stop shop to buy the best organic products. But now, ladies and gentlemen, this is where the game starts. Round 1. Pehle suno, phir gao. Which means, team by team, at random, we are gonna play you guys a specific song. You hear the song, what you have to do is to sing at least a couple or 4 lines after where the song ends. Are you ready for Antakshari 2020? Yes?
Yes.
All right, let's do this. Divane, all the best to you. Your song coming on right now.
तेरी ही बोली बोलूंगी मैं, तेरी ही बानी गाऊंगी मैं, तेरे इश्क दा चोला पहन के मैं तुझ में ही रंग जाऊंगी, तेरे इश्क दा चूड़ा पहन के मैं तुझ में ही सज जाऊंगी.
Divane, here we go. Ooh. Nothing is coming.
It's a difficult one, Gary.
I think it's a superstar.
No, I mean, I've heard the song, but I don't know the lyrics.
You are right. The movie is Secret Superstar, and the lines that follow, which is also the title of the song, is "Main nachidi phira." And then, yeah, I'm sure you've heard it. Okay. Divane, don't worry about it. No negative marking at all. Okay? So let's just hope that nobody else gets points as well, then you're never playing them. Now, with that, I'm moving over to the Parvane. Parvane, you guys ready? This is your song.
मुंडा थोड़ा ऑफ बीट है पर कुड़ियां दे नाल बहुत स्वीट है. मुंडा थोड़ा ऑफ बीट है पर कुड़ियां दे नाल बहुत स्वीट है. ढोंगी सा ये बड़ा ढीठ है, वायरल हो गया ये ट्वीट पर. फूल वूल करने में कूल तू बड़ी तेज कटारी है. शगन तेरी की लगन तेरी की हमने कर दी तैयारी है.
Parvane, go! Unfortunately, I can't give you the points because there are the other lines after that. But you were on the right track. Nachde de sare ral mil ke from Bar Bar Dekho. So very close, but rules are rules for Parvane. I'm so sorry I can't give you the points. Let's see whether the Mastani can change things around for us. Mastani! Tension? No tension. Just listen and go. Ready? Here is your song for the Mastani.
ये भी न जाने वो भी न जाने नैनों के रंग नैना जाने मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग. जग की कोई रीत न जाने मैं तो बस तेरी हुई दीवानी. मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग.
मैंने छोड़ा ये दरबार तेरा ओ मखना वे मखना, ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा ओ मखना ये मखना. समथिंग संसार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना ओ मखना.
Yeah.
Okay?
I hope I'm right.
100 points. Yours. Take it in.
Thank you.
Well played, ma'am. Well
Thank
played.
you.
Now, we move on to the Anjane. You ready? Yeah?
Yes.
Anjane, this is your song.
इन वादियों में टकरा चुके हैं हमसे मुसाफिर यूं तो कई. ऐसे तुम मिले हो जैसे मिल रही हो इत्र से हवा.
Please आपके आगे हाथ जोड़ता हूँ, please.
Nana, something like this. Tera something. It's like Safarnama also was there.
Do you know what movie this is from?
Yana. Sufiana सा है तेरा.
Okay, time's up. No problem. The song is from Kedarnath and the song's title is Kafirana. So I won't be able to give you the points for that. But no problem, no problem. We are still pretty much on equal weightage here. I'm just going to give you the points right now before we go into round 2. That's it. Round 1 is over. So we're going to go into round 2. But before that, Divane on 0 points. Parvane on 0 points. Mastane on 100 points. And Injane on 0 points. So still open game. All right, guys, don't worry. I say still anybody's game. Anybody's game.
Round 2. Kaun bola?
I got a question to ask each and every one of you. The question is simple. Why settle for less when you can get a lot more? Now, keeping this thought in mind, StarHub has a great offer for all of us. Now, enjoy the best Indian entertainment from Hindi and Tamil dramas, movies, and more, only with StarHub's new Indian Plus from $15 per month. This is exactly what this is all about. Why settle for less when you can get more? Let me tell you what's going to happen right now. I, team by team, I'm going to be enacting out a dialogue for you. If you can tell me the movie that the dialogue is from, I give you 100 points. If you tell me which actor or actress said that dialogue, another 100 points. If you can tell me the character's name of the actor, 300 points. So with one dialogue, each of you have a chance to walk away with not one, not two, a 300 points. All right, this is a big one. So you can really earn all your points right now. Divane, I'm going to give you one of the most iconic Bollywood dialogues of all time. So I hope you get this one right. The dialogue is this: lights, camera, action. Kutte kamine, main tumhara khoon pee jaunga. Go.
Dharmender, Sholay, and Viru.
Okay. Final answer, yeah? All right. Now, I will now tell you that you have earned 100 points only. Because this is a trick. We have heard Dharmender say this in many movies. But there was one movie that he said, Kutte kamine mein tera khoon pee jaunga, which was Yadon Ki Barat. And his name in the film was Shankar. In Sholay, it was Gabbar Singh mein tumhara khoon pee jaunga. He was wearing something similar as well. So that's Gabbar Singh. So Kutte kamine Yadon Ki Barat mein thi. वो बारात शोले तक पहुंची नहीं तो you understand, yeah?
Only because of Dharmender we got it.
Yes, Dharmender we got it. So 100 points, Divane. It's good. Parvane, are you ready for your dialogue, Parvane? Yes? Okay.
Yes.
Lights, camera, action. कोई बात नहीं सेनोरिटा, कोई बात नहीं. बड़े-बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी-छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं. Go.
Shahrukh Khan. It's you mixed actually two movies. So it's Om Shanti Om and Om
Makhija.
Om Makhija.
Om Kapoor, Om Makhija. They have got two names.
Okay. Very nice. Now, when you say it mixed, what did you mean by that?
Yeah, because
बड़े-बड़े शहरों में छोटी-छोटी गलतियां होती रहती है. It's from DDLJ.
Where was Shahrukh Khan, DDLJ, Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge, and that was Raj Malhotra.
And this is light camera action is from Om Shanti.
No, but light camera action, was it a part of the dialogue or not?
No, that was just me wanting to start the dialogue.
Oh, then okay. Sorry. Then
I'll say that for everybody so that you know that the dialogue has started. Okay. So attentive you are. That's good. So.
Okay.
This is
so I need one answer from you. I need one answer.
So Shahrukh Khan, Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge, Raj Malhotra.
Okay, is that your final answer?
Yes.
Not Om Shanti Om, yeah?
No.
300 points for you, Parvane. 300 points for you. That's absolutely right. Mastane, are you ready for this one?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Lights, camera, action. दोस्ती का एक उसूल है मैडम, नो सॉरी नो थैंक यू।
So it's
सलमान खान, मैंने
प्यार किया and the character name is
प्रेम।
सलमान खान, मैंने प्यार किया, प्रेम। 300 points for you, Mastane. 300 points for you. Well done.
Thank you.
Anjane, my attention is on you right now. You ready for your dialogue? I'll try to deliver it for you as best as I can. Lights, camera, action. परंपरा, प्रतिष्ठा, अनुशासन, ये इस गुरुकुल के 3 स्तंभ हैं। ये वो आदर्श है जिसे हम आपका आने वाला कल बनाते हैं। So time starts now.
It's Mohabbatein and Amitabh Bachchan. What is his name?
You got 23 seconds to think of his name.
Next one. Her daughter name was Megha. What was his
Got
name?
7 seconds.
Yashwant.
Yashwant?
Yes.
That was Nana
Yash Raj.
Patekar's name in Yashwant. Yash Raj, that's the company
Yash
that produced the movie. It's almost there. Okay. 200 points because Amitabh Bachchan is correct. Mohabbatein is correct. Now his name in the movie was Narayan Shankar. Narayan Shankar. It's all right, 200 points. It's still good. It's still good. Before we go on to round 3, let's have a quick look at the scores, shall we? Divane, you're on 100 points. Parvane, you are on 300 points. Mastane, you are at 400 points. And Anjane, you are on 200 points. So, well done. But everything, guys, everything can change in the next round.
Round 3. मैं कौन हूँ?
It's a brand new round. We haven't done this with any other team yet, so you are going to be the first batch of contestants that's going to try this for Starhub Presents Antakshari 2020. This is round 3. Before I tell you what this is all about, let me tell you negative marking is going to be introduced in this round. So you got to be a little bit careful. So what we're going to do is, team by team at random, the image comes and the minute we go back to this screen, your time will start and you've got 30 seconds. Actor, dialogue, 100 points, 100 points. Any mistake, minus 100. Pass on to the other team can steal, but if the other team gets it wrong, it's still minus 100. So सोच समझ के खेलना, all the very best. Divane, image आ रहा है screen पर, जरा गौर फरमाइएगा. Okay, Divane, go.
Amrish Puri, Mogambo खुश हुआ.
200 points. Well done. Twist in the tail. Well done, Divane.
Finally.
You've gotten your 200 points. Well played. So, Parvane, we're moving on to you. Okay, Parvane.
So it is Kareena Kapoor.
जब भी
met movie, and the dialogue is, "By God, मुझे बचपन से शादी करने का बड़ा शौक है."
वो तो दिख ही रहा है, वो ही दिख रहा है. बचपन के जो सपने थे वो पूरे हो गए आपके. आपका एक और मैं सपना पूरा करता हूँ, आपको मिलते हैं 200 points. Well done, Parvane. Now everybody is on 200 points over. Mastane, your image is coming on screen right now. Okay, Mastane, go.
It's Sanjay Dutt from Munna Bhai MBBS, and dialogue would be,
Mahmood, टेंशन नहीं लेने का.
मस्ताने, आपको भी टेंशन लेने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि आपको मिलता है 200 points. That's correct.
Thank you.
मस्ताने, well done, well done. तो अभी हम चलते हैं अंजाने की तरफ. Anjane, everybody's got 200 points so far. So let's keep some kind of consistency in the game. Yeah, some kind of consistency in the game. All right, Anjane, all yours.
Yes, Salman Khan, Dabang.
Okay.
Yeah.
कितने छेद करूंगा तो पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि खाओगे किधर से.
और पा दोगे.
शर्म की बात है, सलमान खड़ा हो गया. हम तुम में इतने छेद करेंगे कि कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे कि सांस कहाँ से ले आधे कहाँ से. Okay, confusion तो मेरी तरफ से तो है नहीं क्योंकि आपको भी मिलते हैं 200 points अंजाने. Well done. Well played everybody. Well played everybody. For the first time, everybody has gotten 200 points, and I now will be relaying the scores to each and every one of you. Divane, you're walking home with 300 points. Parvane, you are walking home with 500 points. Mastane, you are walking home with 600 points. And of course, Anjani, 400 points. Man, this was a close and tight competition. So ladies and gentlemen, the winner of this episode of StarHub Presents Antakshari 2020 is Mastane! Everybody that's playing this game today, everybody's walking out of here as a winner. We got some amazing prizes for you. But first and foremost, of course, a big thank you to our presenting sponsor, StarHub. What would we do without you? And of course, we got some great prizes courtesy of Himalaya, Nisha Beauty Center, Rocking Rickshaw, and of course, Oya. Thank you to each and every one of you. So everybody, that was yet another mad, crazy episode of StarHub Presents Antakshari 2020. So one more time, Divane, Parvane, Mastane, Anjay, I want to give you guys the biggest round of applause, right? To everybody that's watching, my name is KP Sandhu. We'll be back same time, same place. If you're ready, if you're steady, click on the button, keep commenting, because we're going to be back next week. Antakshari out!